Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card we're going to make today. Very simple card, so let's get started. Okay, so you're going to need simple supplies. Balmy blue card base. This is a standard A6 card base, so that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half again. And then a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And the stamp set we're going to be using is called this one, Silhouette Scenes. I'm going to be using this stamp here and this one here that says together is the perfect place to be. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to stamp this actually in, I would advise you maybe to stamp it in Stays On, but I'm going to be stamping it in Archival because I can't cope with the stench, the smell of Stays On. It just makes me feel sick. It smells like marzipan and I detest marzipan, so let's stamp this so it's good and inky, like that. And then I'm just going to use my grid paper here to guide me, and I'm going to just put it somewhere like there and just press down, and then voila, that's not bad at all. Okay, so let me put that to the side, and then I'm going to stamp my sentiment now. Same ink pad. So this is a great card because it doesn't use a lot of supplies, so you know it's really good for somebody who's just starting out. I'm going to put this somewhere in the corner here. Use my grid paper to line up. This looks like as good a place as any. Once you've made your decision, you have no choice but to go for it. Yeah, not too bad. Okay, so put that aside. Now, underneath where they're standing, I don't want them to be floating in the ground like that. I want them to be standing on something. So I'm going to use some balmy blue in the marker with blender pen. And I'm just going to get that now. Okay, and I'm going to be taking the blender pen to the marker, or the other way around rather, so just go like this. Get some on your tip, and then I'm going to get rid of most of it. So I just want a very light definition of some blue. So like that. Like that, just so that they're standing on something. And then to get rid of any blue or anything on your marker, just scribble it off like that on your paper and you're done. So let's close those two up again before I get them on something. So that's basically our card done. So now I'm just going to put some snail on the back of that. Okay, bring back our card base, plonk it down, and we are done. What a super easy card that is. There we go. Finished. No, we're not finished. Here's me trying to jump the gun. One last little detail I'm going to use are these little droplets, and these are called, what are they called? Frosted and clear epoxy droplets. So you get these ones, and then you get these clear ones as well. We're going to use these ones, and I'm just going to use 3 of these down here at the bottom, just to give it a little bit of bling. So I like to do things in 3s or 5s, odd numbers. It just seems to work better than even numbers. Just one of those design things. Okay, so there we go. That's the card I just made. It's the one I made before. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And don't forget to subscribe to future videos. Thank you again for watching. If you need information like supply lists, measurements, etc., it'll be on the blog post that goes with this video. So until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.